Blackline. These days, either the big organizations are implementing the Blackline or the other consulting organizations are helping these firms to build the Blackline. Let's understand in this today's video what is Blackline. So Blackline is their software-based application. No separate hardware is required. It's like the any other website that we currently use, and it helps the organizations and the companies to digitally transform their record to report processes, starting from recording a journal entries to the ultimate reporting to the stakeholders. This Blackline caters the needs for all these processes coming in between. How it does that, it automates the key accounting processes, starting from the integration of the ERPs to the Blackline. There can be either one ERP, one kind of multiple ERPs, or the different ERPs. All the ERPs gets interlinked to the Blackline, where the ultimate accountants will be working in the single Blackline instead of working in the different ERPs. And it also helps to standardize the various month-end process and the procedures using the standard templates. One way I can say, if you have the multiple ERPs, there will be the single journal template to post and entries. There will be the single template for the reconciliations. There will be the single task which all the accountants all across the globe will be using to perform their activities. Currently, many record to report processes are done using the an Excel sheet. You either using the macros or using the formulas. But the Blackline is the one shop stop where you can have your entries posted, your reconciliation, what task that needs to be performed, intercompany, all the intercompany allocations, everything can be done within the Blackline. Okay, and also the one important thing is that it supports the reconciliations and the journal entry documentation, acting as a repository of all this. So the user can get into the Blackline and take out the documentations related to any particular journal entry and attached any to particular reconciliation task activities. Lastly, it also helps the preparers to provide the documentations to the auditors at the end of the year. And what can be done easily, that the auditors can get access to the Blackline and can automatically can get the information whatever they need required with respect to any journals and the reconciliations or the intercompany or the variance analysis, that can be taken directly by the auditors in the Blackline. So the entire record to report process has been categorized into the 10 submodules in the Blackline. The most widely used are the account reconciliation, task management, journal entry, transaction matching, and the intercompany hub. And the other ones, the variance analysis, the compliance, the smart close, where we close your month-end books, cash applications, and the newly won the AR intelligence. So we will be discussing on all these modules in our coming videos in this Blackline series. So now this is the Blackline home screen. Once when any person logs into the Blackline, this is the home screen that will appear in front of the user. So now we will discussing about how the basic features of the Blackline home screen, how it will be helpful, and what are the information that Blackline provides. The first is the Blackline logo. So this is the Blackline home button. It acts as a home button. Later on, if you are in any particular sub module page, but this Blackline home button, if it is clicked, it will bring back the user to this particular home screen. So the second is the period. So for what period the user is performing the activities, this can be navigated through this period. The user can definitely navigate to the previous periods also in order to retrieve the information for the previous periods. Everything is captured within the Blackline, all the documents, all the information. This period is generally set up by the system admin on one particular day, and it will be let's say on the last day of the month, this period will be changed to the next month for which the month end closing starts. So the second is the notifications. This notifications, Blackline provides a multiple types of notifications where in the user is notified that any particular activity has been completed or any balances has been uploaded in the Blackline from the ERP. All these kind of such notifications will be shown to the users over here. Currently, you don't see any notifications. Going ahead in this series, you will start seeing how the notifications appears on this home screen. Next is the to-do list. So currently the users may be preparing the to-do their today's checklist in either in the notepad or the sticky notes, but the Blackline provides the automated to-do list basis on the due dates and the due dates set up in the Blackline, so that they understand what is the to-do list as per the Blackline for the user, so that the user completes their task on a timely basis. The last is that the Blackline can be used in the multiple roles. So all these roles that you are seeing here, we will be discussing in the in the future videos. So currently we have logged in as a preparer. However, the user can navigate to any particular role for which these roles must be assigned to that particular person to toggle between them. Next is on the left side, there is a ribbon. So the first is the magnifying glass. If the user knows to what particular page it wanted to direct, that can be directed directly from this magnifying glass. The second is the frequently visited. Once the user start using the Blackline, the pages start appearing over here as a frequently visited pages. So the kind of it becomes a shortcut for the user. So the third is the detailed navigation. If the user for which product related page that the user wants to get into, there are multiple pages within a single product, which we will be discussing. There are multiple types of pages which can be accessed either in the system admin role or in the preparer approver role. So the next is the system. So this is majorly with respect to the activities or the request that the user wants to share with the system admin. So instead of sending an email to the system admin, the request can be created within the Blackline in the jobs that this particular activity the preparer wants to highlight to the system administrator. Second is the last is if there is any activity that the user wants to create newly added into the Blackline, which is currently not there. So the preparer or the single accountant has a feature to add that request within the Blackline, which can be directly directed to the system admin to add it in the Blackline. We will definitely share that with the examples and going ahead. On the left side, on the bottom left corner, you will see there is three symbols. One is the question mark. This is the quick access to the product documentation. If you want to understand what any specific feature you want to read detail about that, it can be directed from here. Second is the community. This is the Blackline community, wherein you can be interact. You have a platform to interact with the other Blackline users, along with the Blackline company as the Blackline specialist, wherein you can put your question and your questions can be answered here. And the last is the trust. So trust is the Blackline provided a page wherein uh, wherein the Blackline will give you the status of what are the factors that is required or that is there, which brings back your trust by being more transparent with respect to their security status. What are the web requests and what are the learnings and what are their privacy features? Everything can be accessed over here. For more videos and related to the Blackline, please subscribe, and we'll be uploading more videos in the coming weeks. Thank you.